Welcome to Kalu's Kitchen. Today I will be making a hair oil which is extremely great for hair growth and many other hair problems. This is Jatamansi. Jatamansi has Ayurvedic properties that work wonders on hair disorders. It is a perfect remedy for hair growth. I bought 2 packs. Each pack is of 50 grams. Both the packs come under Rs 200. To buy this product, click on the link given below in the description. Let's start with our preparation. The first step is to crush the roots. Talking about the benefits. Jatamansi helps control hair fall and promotes hair growth when applied to scalp. Regular oiling prevents dandruff and split ends. Fastens hair growth. Makes your hair silky and smooth. Darkens grey hair as it contains natural dyeing agents. There are no side effects on using Jatamansi externally on scalp and hair. It has hair growth properties and helps in regrowth of hair. The next step. You need sesame oil, which is also called gingerly oil. Pour the oil to a container. I am using Idayam gingerly oil. You can use any brand. Heat the oil to warm temperature. Add 300 ml of warm gingerly oil to the crushed Jatamansi roots. Crush the roots with your hand. Talking about the benefits of gingerly oil. Prevents grey hair, promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff, prevents hair fall, prevents frizz, protects hair from UV rays. Separate the roots from the oil by squeezing it. The oil has been separated. To make the oil pure, we will filter the oil using a muslin cloth. The oil looks brownish black in color. Use glass jars to store the oil. Keep the jar still in a cool dry place for 5 to 7 days. After 7 days, the oil looks dark golden in color. The color darkens as you keep storing it. Apply onto fingertips and massage this oil on your scalp daily for 10 minutes to see amazing results. Try and share your feedbacks in the comments below. Subscribe for more such amazing videos. Thank you.